Hello everybody, Seth K Bani here. Now this is a low resolution photo. What we want to do is we want to convert it to a high resolution image. And so the process is quite simple. You can see I have duplicated the image and then I have hidden the lower one. Okay, I want to concentrate on this one. So select it and then move to your image menu and then go and look for image size. And then once you open, you can see over here the resolution is 72 and then the dimension is quite small. And this, it gives us 31.1 kilobyte. This is very small. What I want you to do, guys, is to click over here on the chain icon over here and then boost the resolution to 300. Alright, now you can see that the height and the width increased a little bit. Go back to the height over here and then make it let's increase the height to around 4000, and then the width automatically also increases simultaneously as well. Now this is quite better. You can see the size over here. It looks a little bit curvy and not really straight, but we can work with this. Click on OK. Control 0 brings it back into perspective, and then this is how it looks like. But guys, I want you to look at the edges. The edges is not really refined well. And so we can't work with this. What we have to do is work on it a little bit more. Let's click over here and then let's see. I want you guys to go to filter menu, okay, and then let's see, let's go to blur, let's go to Gaussian blur, and then blur it, guys, until even though it looks quite blurry, you find out that the shape or the size or the edges are quite straight. So you can see over here it doesn't look really straight. Keep pushing it until you find out that it's a little bit curvy and straight. Okay, and I feel like this is quite better. Yes, I feel like this is quite better. We can work with this. So I would click on OK, and then I'll come back to our adjustments over here. Go and pick our curves. Now you can see there's a button over here or a feeder over here. I want you to drag it to this side. Okay, leave it there, and I want you to drag the white one also to this side. Keep dragging it. Pull this one back. So you keep playing with it until you get what you're looking for. Alright guys, so I think this is quite better. Now guys, if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and then subscribe to this channel as well. Guys, I love you all. See you in the next video.